What's going on, family? Your welding coach checking in, Black Phoenix, and I wanted to talk to you about welding will continue. There is a great need for welders throughout the U.S. Depending on what state you are in, will determine your pay. But there's a lot of MIG welding going on, flux core welding, TIG welding, and also stick welding. But the greatest need right now, I would say, for those who want to jump into it, is the flux core and the MIG process slash stick process. If you're jumping into construction are actually doing 70-18 uphill and overhead. Normally they're testing about a 1-inch coupon. And if you're thinking about diving into the fabrication, a lot of the heavy duty fabrication are doing 1-inch coupons as well. So welding will continue. And if you're in the city of Little Rock, check out the Goodwill Academy. It's giving opportunities for up and coming welders.